Want to see how much time I just shaved off a video that I just made? So I'm using the free Screencast-O-Matic software in order to record my screen and make a video, and then chop out some of the pieces I don't want very easily, and then download it and upload it to free Descript, and upload it to Descript, which has a free and paid version. Add file, and add this video I just made for an AI product. And while it's uploading, it's going to put the transcription on the left, which is also fabulous for those who want free transcription, and to be able to edit your video simply by highlighting text on the left and deleting it or changing it. You're literally editing your video like a Word document, which is genius. While it's processing the transcription, look at the duration. It's 16 minutes and 37 seconds before speeding it up. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to add studio sound because that cleans up the audio, and I'm going to change the speed here. I'm going to actually be a little heavy-handed on this one. Usually you don't move it up too much, but I'm going to move this one up to 1.2, and I'm going to see if I sound like a chipmunk or not. Okay, so I just listened to myself and it sounds fine, because whenever I'm screen sharing and training, I tend to speak much more slowly than if I was just speaking to someone, and more animated and more excited. So I'm going to export this now, because as you can see, I shaved off about almost 3 minutes, and that is excellent.